Hi guys, Dakota here at Quaid Harley-Davidson. We have a special guest today, Adrian, my BFF.
Hey, what's up guys?
We are here to let you know the specials of September. So Parts is offering 15% off of handlebar kits. That includes all the necessary parts and equipment for those. For the M8 Road Glides, we have packages together for the Factory 47 and the FXR Division bars. Yeah, so, okay, Parts is offering 20% off of tires when you get them installed, right? But Service is offering half off of labor when you buy a tire from our parts department. So it's a freaking win-win, you guys. You have to get tires in the month of September.
Very cool. Also guys, over here in our sales department, we are buying motorcycles. So if you got an old bike you're sitting in the garage that you want to get rid of, you need some extra cash, bring it on by me, Zach, check it out. Or you can simply trade it in. We got a huge selection of brand new motorcycles here in our inventory. Also wanted to let you guys know we are open 10 to 7, Tuesday through Saturday, but we are answering all your messages on Mondays and Sundays. So if you have any questions on any of our inventory or anything like that, be in our internet department can answer any questions for you guys.
You guys, Service department is open Tuesday through Saturday, 8 to 5 for you.
So we'll see you guys soon. My name's Adrian.
Bye.